In this video, I will show how to use ceiling and floor function in Excel. We have some example data for ceiling. Enter equal. Type here CEI and select it ceiling. Now you need two option, two requirement. Firstly, number, select it, and significance, comma, and in significance like you want to make it near 5, then press enter. So this way you can use this ceiling and in the floor equal floor, double click on it, similar, select the number, comma, significance near 5, it will make the down. In significance you can try your own number with different criteria. So you can try this both method for Excel. Thanks for watching.